up? What's poppin'? I see some new faces. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Titian J here to do how I used to do my makeup in college. College was some trying times. So if you're interested, keep on watching. In college, my favorite primer was the Maybelline Baby Skin. So I've tried so many different primers, so I haven't been using this primer in a while. But in college, I used to use this primer so much because I had a lot of pores. So the primer just looks like this. It's like silicone based. This used to be the rage. And the college that I went to, you guys, I went upstate, like way upstate near Canada, like some 15, 20 minutes away from Canada. Like that's how far I was, like from New York City. And they didn't really have makeup up there. There was like Walmart. If you wanted to buy makeup, Walmart. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. But us girls, like not me per se, but there was girls in my school stealing makeup from Walmart, getting arrested.
What's going on? Y'all are going to jail, period.
You couldn't go outside. You couldn't go to parties looking raggedy. That was a no-no, big no-no. So makeup was a big deal in college, and you know, even though makeup still is a big deal, but makeup was, you had to wear makeup, but you had to look good if you was wearing makeup, like head to toe, all the way. Period. 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 I'm going to actually, I should have said this before, but I'm gonna like pop a video here and show y'all how I was doing my makeup. Like I believe I was a sophomore here, a sophomore or a junior, most likely a sophomore, because I was not doing this. Nah, I ain't gonna do that to myself. I was not doing that as a junior. I'm so embarrassed about that makeup look, you guys. It's not a good makeup look, but I thought I was cute. So moving on to foundation, I was wearing this foundation. So this is the True Match L'Oreal in the color Cool. So I was wearing this color in college. Like, who knows if this is gonna still match me? I hope it does, so I don't look that crazy in this video. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Let's say I started makeup, like wearing makeup in college, just because in high school I didn't get to wear that much makeup because my mom was the type of mom like, you wanna be one of these fast girls? My Caribbean accent sucks, but my mom was not with it. Like I had to like fight my mom to wear mascara in high school. Like I'm not playing. Like mascara, I had to fight my mom to wear mascara, and I had to fight my mom to wear eyeliner in high school. So when I got to college, like I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those girls that were just like, I wasn't loose. Don't play with me. I was more so of like, yes, my freedom. I get to be grown. I get to, you know, experience life without my parents telling me what to do, even though my parents are paying my bills. Like it was like that. So I had a good, well, I had a semi-good college experience. All right, and here is how my skin looks. I'm not gonna front, like this is a good, this is a pretty good foundation. I was wearing concealer, like don't do that, you guys. I was doing something. So I was wearing a light color like this because, as you can see, under my eyes looks a little bright. Oh. best time. I started college at the age of 17. I have a late birthday. My birthday is 12/19. And I started college at 17, and I went away to school just because I wanted to experience what it was like going away for school. Growing up, I was watching shows like Zoe 101.
Are you ready? Ooh, I know you see me standing here.
And how she went to boarding school. So I was just like, oh, imagine what it would be like for me when I go away to school. Even though she was in high school, I was like, hey, I need to go away to school too. Why not? So going away to school was it was a very interesting experience. I got to learn a lot about myself, and I regretted a lot of stuff in college. So I really learned a lot. This is gonna just sound so like, I don't know if this is gonna sound pick-me-ish, but I wanted a boyfriend in college. Like, I wanted to experience that because I didn't experience that in high school. I never had a boyfriend in high school. I had crushes in high school. Never got to experience that type of, like a relationship or a high school sweetheart. No, I didn't experience that. So going to college, I was like, oh, I'm gonna find my husband, my college husband. We met in college, and we're gonna have like so many kids and a white picket fence. And so life told me, sis, no, that ain't what you finna do in college. Nope. Oh, I got to college, and I really got to see men are really dogs, and I really had to experience that and really like understand that college is not made for you to find love. It's really not. It's for you to experience your life. When I first got to like my campus, I would say like the first week of me being on campus, more like the first 2 weeks of me being on campus, I cried. Like, I cried my eyes out. I went to a campus where I knew nobody. Like, I knew of no one the first 2 weeks besides my roommate, you know, she was white, and she's not from that town, but she's from upstate New York, and I'm from New York City. I didn't know anything about upstate New York at 17. My first 3 weeks, I should say, of being up at school for the first time, I was calling my family every day. Like, I was like, I think I want to come back home. I don't know anyone. What am I supposed to be doing up here by myself? And thank God, like, for my aunt and my cousin as well, they know who they are, that they were really like talking to me like, listen, you should not come back home. You should really experience what life is like. You need to have the college experience, because growing up I was very sheltered. So it was very like, this going away for school was something that helped me. It helped me a lot. I knew nothing really about, I don't want to say I knew nothing about boys, but I didn't know anything about like relationships, or I didn't know anything about like much of finances. I didn't know much about like maneuvering through life and figuring out what you want to do and who you want to be. So I had to have that experience. So I will forever be grateful for my aunt and my cousin, who really told me like, listen, this is the time for you to just figure it out, get into the motions. Everything will be okay. I'm reminiscing about college, and I just really think about like, wow, college went by so fast, and it was a learning experience. This is actually my brush from college. Like, I bought this in college. Y'all gonna see how I did my blush in that picture. And like, as I start to maneuver in college, I decided to join a sorority. And that was like the best decision. College life is lit. Like, when you in a sorority, college life is lit. Okay. I love being a sorority girl. I ain't gonna be ashamed about being a sorority girl. period. Moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna use the Norvina palette just because it has like the tones that I'm looking for that you see in that picture. I'm gonna use the color Passion and Volatile. I'll mix those two together. So it's this color and it is this color. So I didn't really know how to do my eyeshadow in college, y'all. I didn't wear lashes in college, you guys. I wore mascara, but I didn't wear lashes. I didn't know how to put on lashes. I just learned how to put on lashes maybe like 2 years ago. And here I'm still wearing eyelash extensions. Also see that I'm wearing a light lid color. A light lid color was my thing in college. I don't know why. Please don't judge me. I'm gonna use the color Dreamer on my lid. I'm telling y'all, I didn't do like second crease colors and what is this? High highlight color. I wasn't doing all that. I was just boop boop. This is what I was doing. If I was really doing my makeup like this, yo, sis. I was wearing red lipstick a lot, but it was like I felt like I was looking good. Like I was like, I look cute in red lipstick always, sweetheart. Now I don't wear red lipstick as I used to, so it's kind of like I want to throw all of my red lipsticks away. As you guys see, my face right now is like brown lipstick. I don't know if this is the same exact color that I was using in college, but I don't have any other red lipstick in my collection. So this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick in the color Avenue. Why was I doing this? Oh. Before I knew that black girls, like, their highlight color is gold, I was using this. This is a cute highlight. Like, I'm not gonna bash myself. I'm not gonna bash myself all too bad. I'm not copying the exact photo, but I'm just, you know, just showing you guys like the base of how I used to do my makeup in college. Like, just the basis of what I was doing. And I also used to wear a little choker. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Don't care for how my brows look. My eyeshadow, it just looks like I dipped myself in glitter. That's what it looks like right now. Oh my God. If you guys enjoyed this video, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. I got to tell you guys about my college experience. I got to show y'all how I was doing my makeup in college. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. I am so happy that I now have 40 subscribers. It may not be an accomplishment for some of you guys, but it's an accomplishment for me, and I'm so thankful for whoever subscribed. Thank you guys for subscribing, and thank you guys for watching my content. I really want to create more content for you guys. If you guys want to see how I used to do my makeup in high school, leave a like. I need to see some likes. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.